yeah. Hello. Hello. You're traveling with Grandma. You're going to miss me. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear me. My voice is cracked. I've not been feeling fine since yesterday. And I don't even know if this thing is working. Okay, so he's traveling with Grandparents. They're going for a 1 week holiday. They're leaving this morning. I think it's 6:30 right now. And we're waiting for Grandparents to come over to pick him up. I don't know what's wrong with my voice. So this is his luggage. Inside this bag we have his toys. My baby is packing this. This is his water bottle. Let me drop this one here. Here I have shoe and cups. Hey guys, I think it's around 10:30 right now and my boy have left. Right now I'm going out to go get some few stuff that is remaining for baby. So I just look at this list that they gave me, that the clinic gave me. I see that I still remain 2 items. As you can see, the items, this one that I have not taken. So I'm going to the shop to go buy the remaining things, just so I can make my bag and just be done with, you know, just be done with everything. So I'm feeling a little bit, should I say sad, because I miss my boy. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit sad, at the same time happy, knowing that he's gonna have a lot of fun. But yeah, I really do not like my son going away from me for like 1 week. I feel like something, there's a part of me that is just, I feel empty, you know what I mean. I just feel empty. But like I said, I'm happy because I know he's gonna have so much fun with his cousins and I'll be able to do things around the house. This is not the first time he's going out. The other time, I think he spent 1 week or so, and I was like, this is going to be the last time, just because of the way I felt throughout that week. So I allowed it to go this time because I feel like this is going to be the last time, because when my baby girl will be here, she's not going to be leaving her little sister and go spend 1 week somewhere else. I was saying that my hubby always say, yeah, baby can go with them when she's a little bit grown. I am not leaving my baby girl with anybody. Sorry, but not sorry. Anyways, let me be going, guys. Okay guys, so let me show you guys the things that I bought. The thing that I went to the shop to buy is sleep suit. They asked for about 5, and the ones that I bought, I realized they are a little bit big. I bought 0 to 1 month, so the rest are about 3 to 6 months. So I needed 1 month to 3 months or 0 to 3 months. So that's what I went to the shop to buy, and I bought this pink one and this one. Look at that, it's so cute, right? Yeah, this one is for winter, and then again I don't know if I should buy winter stuff. I know they say that baby are always hot in the womb. Baby are always hot, so when they are born they tend to be very, very cold because they're not used to the weather. So that's why I picked this one up. This one is for winter, like it's so soft. What is it even made of? Not suitable for sleeping in bed. What's that? Not suitable. Did you guys hear that? Oh, they just said it's not suitable for sleeping. What am I gonna do now? So it means I am going to buy another one. Wow, this is supposed to be a sleep suit, guys, and they're just saying it's not suitable for sleeping in the bed. Okay, not suitable for sleeping in bed, and I will say in the bed. So it's suitable for sleeping on the floor. I don't get. It means I need to buy another one, right? If this one is not suitable for sleeping in the bed, maybe we're gonna be using this one to sleep on the floor. Okay, so this is another one. 1 more to 2 months. Did I pick 1 month? Wait, though. I don't tire. So this one is 1 more to 3 months. Is 1 more to 2 months. I don't understand again. Anyways, I'm not buying again. I decided to pick this up also. Baby towel, the one I showed in my other video. I bought that one from this store they call Leclerc. I think that one was 15 euros, and this one is under 6 euros. I wish I knew. So another thing that I realized that I don't have incomplete is this one. What do you guys call this top? The clinic asked me to bring 3, so I realized that I just have 2, so I bought these 2. They're so beautiful, Sha. Yeah, another thing I have here is a postpartum bed. I have a waist trainer that, but I do not wear waist trainer. I don't feel comfortable wearing waist trainer. When I had my child, I did not tie my tummy 1 bit. One day I tried it just one day and it was so painful. I said I cannot do this. So this time I decided I'm gonna be, I'm gonna try to calm my tummy, because after this we are returning to a baby girl for life. Took size 1. I don't know if it will be too big for me. This is how it looks, guys. Yeah, this is how it looks. I think it's a little bit long. So another thing I bought, it's this indoor slippers. Also bought socks. I think, how many pairs? 1 2 3 4 pairs set of socks. So this one is going to my hospital bag. Of course, I got this black legging, and also I bought 2 on this, kind of a high-waisted on this. I took 2 of this one, and I also ordered 2 from Amazon, but I just want to, this one look very, very soft, and yeah, this is how they look. I also bought this body cream. This is the body cream that I was using before I switched to Misa. The thing is, I don't really do body cream. Let me not lie, I don't really do body cream. I don't have one specific body cream that I use. I have a very dry skin, and so anything that can keep my skin hydrated for 24 hours, that's what I go for. And this La Roche-Posay is really nice. I've used it before. This is the one I was using before, and when it finished, I didn't buy it because I don't know, because I have so many body cream that maybe if this one finish, I just move to the other one. Apart from my face, I spend a lot on my face, actually, because my face, I don't joke with it. So this one is really good for when you have the dry skin. Yeah, it's really good for dry skin. Lipid Reblemishing Balm, anti-irritation, anti-scratchy, spaced out flare-ups, and severe dryness. Yeah, did you hear that? Severe dryness and scratchy, anti-scratchy. That has been me since this 3rd trimester. My tummy, goodness sake. Yeah, so I just have to go get it, because whoops, you guys see that? You guys see this baby? This baby is always here. Oh my god, it's super nice. That's everything. That's what I went to the shop to buy. Right now I'm gonna try to edit video, and also I'm gonna try to do a thumbnail. I need to wash this wall. The wall is so a little bit dirty, so I need to wash it. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna try to first of all do a thumbnail for the video that I plan to upload today, and start editing a video, try to start putting things together. And I want to thank you guys so much for always stopping by to watch my video. I do appreciate every one of you here, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time or anytime I drop a video here. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.